Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make doll's hair straight. First, you'll want to prepare the hair properly. Begin by gently detangling any knots with a wide-tooth comb, working from the ends upwards. Next, give the doll's hair a good wash using a mild shampoo and conditioner. This helps remove any product buildup. Rinse it thoroughly with cool water and gently squeeze out the excess moisture, getting it ready for the next step. One effective method involves using hot water. Carefully boil some water, then let it cool for about 1 minute to prevent damage to the doll's hair. Dip small sections of the hair into the warm water for 10 to 15 seconds. As you remove each section, immediately comb it straight. Repeat this process for all sections, ensuring the hair remains damp and warm as you work to achieve the best results. For a more precise straightening, a flat iron can be used, but with extreme caution. Make sure the doll's hair is completely dry first. Set your flat iron to the absolute lowest heat setting, ideally under 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Work in very small, thin sections, quickly passing the iron over the hair. Do not hold the iron in one spot, as this can melt the hair. This method offers a very sleek finish. Once you've straightened all the hair, it's crucial to let it cool down completely and air dry naturally. This helps to set the new straight style. After it's fully dry, gently comb through the hair one last time to ensure there are no remaining tangles and that it's perfectly smooth. Now your doll's hair is beautifully straight and ready for any styling you wish to do, looking fresh and new.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.